What you doing?
Draining the coolant out of the oil cooler.
Here's your drink.
Thank you.
So I have a question for you about your build.
All right.
I was in the kitchen making your drink, and I noticed you left one of your tools in there.
Yeah, my flat screwdriver.
Yeah.
I see
And
that.
I also noticed you're using my ice bucket as a tool there also.
You see it has a perfect bevel when I'm draining stuff on the other side. How I like that.
Hell, dude.
It works really good.
Okay, as long as you replace my tools when you're done with them, I appreciate it.
I can clean this out. Look. What were we using this for before?
Oh my god. Not cool.
I mean, that little soap game fix. We'll put it in the dishwasher. It'll be all right.
Okay.
All right.
More questions later.
All right.
Working on the exhaust for the other side.
Yep. About finished up for this one. Got to finish welding it out, get it painted, get it mounted.
Then what are you gonna do after that?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Do you even know yet?
Probably start working on the air intakes.
Okay. Check you later.